Hi everybody, it's Genuine Chris Johnson, and Ravi asked me to do a really cool video, a really quick video on how I use DAP for my business. Now, I am not using or running a normal membership site like everybody else is. I am doing things a little bit different. I'm using paid training to help me with support and enhance the service level that I'm able to deliver for my existing customers. I sell blogs and I sell social media services and propagation services to all of my customers. That's what I do for a living, and so I use DAP to create an unfair advantage over my competition because I can, and to save time for myself, because I can make videos that all my customers have access to that train them on how to use my products at the highest possible level. And what that's going to do is that's going to mean that my clients are going to stay loyal, number one, and number two, I can do something once and add value and benefit all of the clients that I have. So let's look at how this works. All right, so we're gonna go to let's say some client. I've disabled the video that's going to start just so it doesn't blast into our speakers here. But let's say some client comes here to this site and they buy a blog. They check out. They get an email. The email gives them a login. The login is to some training. So let's go log in here. Da-da-da-da-da-da-dum. And it's going to be so then they get this, and then they would click on blog training, and so you get a full-blown training kit with all of our blogs. And then here's the videos that you would get from day one. You get lesson one, starting with WordPress, and this is me actually going through on a secure video on how you would work with WordPress. You can leave comments on the videos. The comments go to me, so I know if I need to improve the video or not. And that's how I, as a regular practitioner, run this. And now I can start charging an extra monthly fee without a problem. I can start doing all sorts of stuff with all of my clients. Now let's go into DAP and see how this is powered. So let's go to, I'm going to have to log out here. So let's log out, and I'm going to log in as an admin real quick. Okay, we are now logged in. Now, what we're going to show you here is kind of the next steps here. So let's go to products, and let's show you exactly how this is powered. So we've got a blog here. Now, the first thing that I highly recommend is that you over deliver what you promised. Our clients get training. They expect that. They also get a free ebook that's not advertised, and DAP gives you, by using the email feature, the second somebody buys a product from you, the ability to over deliver and over promise and overdo what you said for the people that you're working with. So somebody gets a blog, boom, you can give them a free ebook, you can give them a free web checkup, you can provide whatever services. It also allows them to buy a blog in the middle of the night when you're sleeping. All right, so it sends out emails here. Here's some of the emails that we send out using DAP, and that's pretty cool. Now that again, over delivery is what we believe in at Flat Rate Web Jobs, and what DAP is the only software that I've seen that allows us to power in a regular way. Now, next killer feature is the email stuff. So let's go to manage emails here. Available emails. Create a new email. Now, one of the things, since we are a service company, we provide services, one of the things we want to do is know where people are at in the process. Know that we're supposed to call people. Now, it's hard once you have, we have a couple hundred customers that have bought blogs from us, and we have 50 or 60 in DAP since we switched over to DAP. It's hard to manage all that kind of automatically. What you can do is, if you're selling something and you want to, if you're a coach and you're selling some sort of coaching product and you want to make sure you are reminded to follow up and honor your clients, you can use DAP to do that. Check it out. You can say here, reminder call for client, and you can spell client right. Reminder call for client, and then you can put first name, first name, last name. So this is a reminder to call client first name, last name. Boom. Good. All right. And then we would go to send to third party, and we could send this to anybody on your team. So if you've got a team, you could say, this goes to Steve to see if Steve has a product to offer or Steve can do something. You can use DAP to run people down an assembly line course. If you're doing quality checks, you can say, all right, this goes to Mike for quality to make sure that the blog has been delivered correctly. There's all sorts of things that DAP will do for my business to make me the best provider of blogs, WordPress blogs on the Thesis platform that exists. We will get this done real soon. So just remember that DAP is not just regular old membership software. It is a competitive advantage that absolutely can have you blow the doors off your competition if you're a freelancer or if you're a coach and you want to create thoughtful ways to honor your clients and to increase your lead against the people that are also doing business with you. So you can deliver more value and you can widen the gap between yourself and your competition. You can deliver more value to your customers without costing yourself more than a couple of pennies per, and that's going to get you more referrals, that's going to get you more business, more coaching contacts. All that stuff will come true when you get DAP and have DAP manage your website and have DAP manage the customer experience that you have. So go ahead and order DAP, and if you want to see this in action, if you want to see how well this works, go ahead and get a blog from flatratewebjobs.com. Just go through there, click the blog link, and buy a blog if that's what you want to do, and we will show you in action how this works and how DAP can be used to power your business. Thanks so much for working with us here. Make it a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.